Good morning, Twitter. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Instagram. How's everybody feeling this morning? Today is January 30th. Looking like, not gonna lie, guys, looking like I kind of want to take a sell here on pound yen. Um, Looking here at the hourly time frame, I'm really liking what I'm seeing. Starting to develop a resistance here. This is the hourly time frame. I really like how we're developing a resistance here. Got a small kind of issue here with we got pretty good resistance form here, 160, 171. Could be a slight area of rejection here, but I am going to take that risk because we are in, New York session. Pretty confident at this point that New York session should be able to give us a sustainable push to the downside. Hopefully, get us our 1-to-1 today, fairly easy. But we all gotta see. It all depends on how this candle closes. So we can probably have like a 27 pippy. I think this, I'm not in anything at the moment right now. I'm just kind of measuring out the position. But if this flips bullish, obviously we're not going to enter. So I have to be patient at the moment right now, ladies and gentlemen. And ladies and gentlemen, today I am only going to be risking 1.5% today. Not looking to risk the full 3%. It's only Monday. Being only Monday, I want to make sure I'm starting off the consistency right. Enter that sell right there. With this position in specific, ladies and gentlemen, I'm not really tripping in regards to uh, drawdown at this point. I mean, I'm just gonna let it played the play pretty much right out. Got full confidence in his 1 hour resistance, so I'm gonna just hold to that. See how it goes. Get some music going so not so quiet. Keep forgetting about that.
During the pandemic, our country depended on businesses like yours to hold together and pay your employees. If you did, your
This little weak bullish candle don't want to flip. This mug is just holding that -2 pips, bro. Trying to see that mug flip a little bearish real quick. So, ladies and gentlemen, I guess in this factor, we got the 15-minute coming up here soon. Really hoping that our next 15-minute candle prints can start going ahead and printing bearish. That's it's at least the hope here. We will see. We got price coming down further. We see if we can close bearish on this 15-minute maybe. Getting real close. Let's go ahead and kick it down. Hey, good morning, Mario. Good morning. Good morning, Glacius. How you guys feeling today? I am taking a sell here on pound yen. Taking a sell on the pound yen simply because of the hourly bearish close. Is kind of my purpose on getting behind the sells here. Anticipating that price can keep pushing down. That we are in New York session, so you know we'll just see how it plays out. Today I'm only risking 1.5%. So if this position ends up losing for us today, it's gonna be the end of the stream. Same thing. If we win the position, it's going to be end of the stream. It's Monday, so we don't want to be risking too much profits. Definitely don't want to risk 3% today. Only looking to risk that 1.5%. Feel pretty good about this position, honestly. But we just gotta see, how this hourly candle is pretty much gonna print out for us, really. So we got a good long time of waiting. Got a lot of patience ahead of us, and I can't really worry too much about the drawdown here, really, because it's pretty expected that we're gonna have some, top wicks and whatnot. Like right now, it is bullish, but as far as I'm concerned, this could be an easy top wick for a bearish candle. So, or yeah, I guess you could say top wick, but it'd be technically be a liquidity wick. Um, but yeah, we'll just see how it fares out though for us. If price starts breaking, I'm gonna say this area right here, like around 161.38, then I might start getting relatively nervous on the position getting stopped out. But until then, I feel pretty confident in the position as we speak. And our first initial take profit is going to be 27 pips. That is our initial take profit. And then after that, we just let the rest run. See what happens first. So if this candle prints a 30-minute bullish candle, though, that would make this very, very, very interesting. So a 30-minute. And this relatively makes sense that it's going to be doing this right now because technically the candle I have entered on really hadn't fully broken that. I did enter on the hourly candles, so I got to understand that I should be dealing with some drawdown. So that is the kind of the downside to entering on higher time frames, that oftentimes you got to deal with like a pretty decent amount of drawdown when you do enter off higher time frames just because they are so strong. Yeah, the main thing about this position is really going to be mainly about patience. Seems like this play's going to take a little bit to develop and play out. Are we going to start flipping now? Is this our moment? I feel like I feel like the moment we've been waiting for is coming up. Something tells me this candle's gonna start flipping. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's keep this bearish momentum going. Alright, I'd love for this one to start making a pretty deeper wick at this point. You know, pushing down for us further. Definitely be really nice to start seeing here. Got about 6 minutes until this candle closes. Super important that we do close bearish, even on 30-minute relatively, in my opinion. I think if we break past our previous bearish wick here on that range wick, if we can break past that range wick right there on our left of that live candle, feel like we should have more sustainable price action to the downside. Looking to just you know, hold, be patient, stay calm. You know what I'm saying? Ride it out, see how it goes. I mean, I know this is like weak ass bearish candle right now. Barely even a bearish candle, but man, do I hope we keep trading relatively bearish in this position. You know, we got a little under, or excuse me, a little bit more over 3 minutes left in this candle. I think more than anything, it's important that we start closing bearish here on this candle, especially so we can continue price action to the downside. I feel like we start closing like a minor bullish, we're, ladies and gentlemen, sorry to say, but I feel like we're still gonna be stuck in some relative like consolidation slash like stuck in the range almost, you know. But if we can close bearish here on this candle, we won't relatively be stuck in the range. I definitely don't. I do not want to close anywhere bullish up in that range. I know we're very close to that spot, so it's a really delicate situation here for us. So we're just gonna have to just play it by ear, see how it goes, and manage our trade the best we can. Hey, Mario and Glacius FX, thank you guys so much for tapping in my stream this morning. I do appreciate it. Really looking to get a nice position for the everybody, for all the viewers. That's what we're really trying to plan on doing here. And if not, hey, we're just gonna showcase how we can risk manage and take a 1.5% or less to the chin. You know what I'm saying? But regardless, though, I still feel pretty confident in my position. Definitely delicate, definitely strange position here. I'm not gonna lie. Hourly candle, you know, strong candle, anticipating that we will start trading below 161, 100. We will see, but my probabilities that feel pretty good about it. And like the last thing I want to see is this little bullish candle. Really, to be honest, don't want to see that. I almost wish the candle was to push down at least 5 pips. At least 5 pips. So we close bullish. Not good. Not good for our position relatively. Only because we could just start playing within this range. We could just start ranging up and down between like 161, 360, and then back down to 161, right where it's at right now, right? The hourly candle is literally our only hope to keep this position still bearish. That 30-minute candle is a weak bullish, so I'm not entirely worried about it, but it leaves a higher probability that we would trade within this range, right? That is the only downside to it. You know, that's what makes me not like this candle, because it gives us a higher chance that we're going to be start playing within this range. Um, Obviously, that may not always be the case. You know what I'm saying? We do have an hourly close, so hopefully this hourly candle can start giving us a nice push. Hussein, what's up, buddy? It's very good to see you, my friend. We are in relative buy position. Anybody that just, excuse me, not buy. We're in sell positions. Anybody that just joined up, I want to let you guys know that we entered sales due to this hourly time frame. We have a resistance that's relatively close here, and then not to mention that we just recently closed an hourly candle bearish right here. At this point, I feel like it's necessary for me to take that risk. I do understand we have clean traffic to our left initially, but I obviously know that we still got a bunch of orders and stuff like that put into the markets right around this area, like 160.98. That's why it has been probably difficult for price to actually push down further because we have a lot of we got a lot of liquidity built here. There's a lot of orders that are built in right here, and being New York session, I feel like with volume, we should be able to push past and break through all this bullshit. That's my anticipation at least. I am going to stick to those to these parameters and see how the position works out. Anybody that just joined in, just going to be risking my 1.5% today, nothing more. Not looking to add another position or even trade another position, depending like gold or anything like that. Like I'm just sticking to this play. If it wins, great. If it loses, we just gotta learn from it. Go over the play and then just move forward. Right. Thing is, still got a lot of waiting to do. So we will just see. Our first initial take profit is gonna be at 27 pips. There's our first take profit. Reason why it's our first take profit is because our stop loss is 27 pips. I make sure that I secure a 1-to-1. After I secure my 1-to-1, I just let the rest ride. Put the stop loss break even, just let the rest ride. Once I go in decent profits too, I like to trail my stop loss. I think once I go about like 15, 20 pips profit, I'll probably start trailing my stop loss. But as of right now, we're not doing shit. So I'm just keeping my stop loss exactly where it's at up until I start feeling like it's a good time to start trailing that stop loss. I'm really hoping we can just break past that wick. You know what I'm saying? Give us some new lower lows. It's getting close. But yeah, Husan, how you feeling, my boy? It's good to see you, man. Yo, Abduli Hafiz, what's up, my boy? Great to see you, man. Great to see you this morning. Happy January 30th, everybody. Getting to the end of the month. Really looking forward for this candle right here to break. Hoping that this price action can push down past this wick right here. At that point, I feel like we have a higher chance that we have a sustainable price action to our take profit. We're getting close. We haven't broke it yet. Haven't broke it yet. We're so close. We have finally broken. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we should start continuing to the downside. I have not too much doubt in my mind that we start doing that. We should be able to start continuing our trade to the downside here. Well, Abduli, I'm doing great, buddy. Feeling great this morning. We can't complain. God bless. I'm here another day. We got a healthy mind, healthy body, healthy mindset. We got food. We got we got water. You know what I'm saying? Feeling lovely, man. Um, we're just really trying to take it easy. Take some really light positions here. Nothing too crazy. Um, only taking the one position today, Abduli. Um, and we're just gonna see how it plays out right now. It's been relatively pretty delicate for us, man. Not much has happened. Price action hasn't been pumping as much as I would anticipate it to. Um, so our New York session has been relatively calm. It's been normal market conditions. I can't say it's been anything too crazy. I mean, we're towards the end of the month, so it could be relatively slowing down here a little bit. That monthly candle's closing, et cetera, et cetera. But um, yeah, really just yeah, feeling good, buddy. Just curious about this play. Curious about this play. See how this play turns out for us. And to everybody that's in my stream right now, today is the day I'm gonna be working on trying to get everything organized for my Discord chat. Anybody that's tuned in right now, maybe just watching, hasn't even thrown down a comment, or maybe if you have thrown down a comment, Abduli, Husan, you guys, Mario, I do know you're interested as well in the Discord. I want to be able to get a Discord for everybody so that everybody can pretty much post their charts. Man, I want us to be an interactive group together. You know what I'm saying? I want us to post our trades, our ideas. You know what I'm saying? I want to post some of my trade ideas, you know what I'm saying, for like London session, and just like necessarily like I'm going to post like a pre-analysis thinking like what I expect would happen during London session. And then obviously I'm going to trade New York session, so obviously we wake up in the morning, we go over what happened London session, see if my analysis was even somewhat correct, right? It's always going to help me understand a little bit what kind of goes on even more during London session as well, to do that analysis, throw that analysis in there, and then actually throw another analysis down after New York session with whatever trade I may have taken, whether that be a loss or that be a profitable trade, right? It's always going to make me learn more if I take a losing trade and I post charts into the Discord, you know what I'm saying, understand why, what we could have done differently, and like just all come together, really. I mean, that's kind of what the idea of my Discord is. You know what I'm saying? I want us to all basically come together as a community, bond more for my Zoom chats. They're going to be launching here February 6th. Um, I think that's going to be something I'm very, very interested in looking to do. Um, so, guys, we are trading below the point where I was looking to, but we're starting to reach a relatively interesting point here. This is the really delicate situation here. Obviously, we have clean traffic here, but I still understand this is going to somewhat play in a factor in our trade. I just know it, and I'm glad we are starting to trade a little bit, saying getting closer to 10 pips profit here. Um, I still don't want to trail my stop loss just yet. I'm still going to hold my stop loss to where it is right now. Not to, say once we get closer to like 15 pips profit, 20 pips profit, then at that point I'll start trailing my stop loss. But as of right now, 10 pips is still not that much. I mean, this candle could flip on us, and then, I just want to be in the most set up position to, for success. And at this point, if it hits my stop loss where it was, hey, it is what it is. I'm not tripping. It's only 1.5%. I know how much I'm losing. Like, it ain't even a big deal. And I want to make sure that everybody understands that, man. Fuck the money, man. It don't matter, bro. Don't even care about the money, bro. As long as we can be consistent in these markets every fucking day. If we can be consistent in these markets every day, if we can hit 1 or 2 trades a day, make them bitches always fucking profitable, man. In due time, there's no other way you wouldn't be a successful man. You're gonna be able to make money in these markets, and you're gonna be able to know what the fuck you're talking about. So I feel like as long as we come here every single day and we execute, whether we win or lose. Obviously, if we lose, we gotta learn from it more. But you know what I'm saying? As long as we do that, though, I mean, you can't really go wrong in your life. You know what I'm saying? Keep hustling, keep doing whatever little grind you gotta do to support your family. You know what I'm saying? That's obviously number one. You know what I'm saying? You gotta support your family. But if this is like stuff we do on our side, like, make this like our little hobby. You know what I'm saying? Shit, what turns into a hobby can turn into a career if you take it serious. So I think that's kind of like my mindset on it. You know, have something to support your family, and then after that, man, just really dial it in. You know. I can't lie that this position's been frustrating because it's been moving so slow. Not that I expected to go straight to take profit, right? But it's still just like, can't do anything right now. It's just like the reason why I say I'm like, is because like there's nothing exciting going on right now in a sense. Like I can't move my stop loss. I can't trail my stop loss. You know, definitely ain't gonna secure no 1-to-1s. Not even close. Um, we're like a whole 20 pips away, which is not unreasonable, but you know what I'm saying, it's still a decent amount away until we hit our first take profit. Haven't been in enough profits to even trail my stop loss yet, so it's pretty much basically, even though I mean, much better feeling. Like I love seeing 7, 8, 9 pips opposed to fucking one, you know, negative fucking 2 pips and shit like that, like we were saying earlier with that last candle. But more than anything, this candle, man, really trying to see this go straight to take profit. Oh my goodness, I am so sorry for anybody that just had to fucking hear me cough like that in the mic. That's my bad. I keep forgetting about that. I know that'd be loud in the microphone, so I'm so sorry. Whew. I don't even know why. Just after that cough or something, man, I just got like a feeling a little nauseous or something. Whew. All right, so 10 pips did feel good to see. No cap. So, hallelujah, we're up 10 pips at this point, right? Can't do much though, ladies and gentlemen. I ain't tripping, but you know, 15 pips, you know, I'll start trailing that stop loss, baby. See how it goes. But yeah, also too, ladies and gentlemen, you know, I'm really proud that anybody that is taking this as serious as I am. I take trading super fucking serious. I really aim as much as possible as I can to be a professional trader sometime in my life. I know it will become sometime in my lifetime. As of right now, I'm not gonna sit here and bluff and tell you guys like, oh, professional trader. Oh, fuck no. Obviously, if I was a professional trader, shit, I'd be living more like Raha. You feel me? I'd be more fucking, you know, not having a side job to keep insurance. You feel me? But that is what it is at the moment. And like I was saying, I'm glad I'm starting to build a community behind people that are really, really, really interested in forex. Not only interested, but want to take it serious as well. Um, I feel like it's only just gonna make us succeed like 20 times faster, especially if we're all into it and we're all trading a certain session in specific and trading 1 to 2 pairs only, taking 1 to 2 trades a day as well. You know, we focus on just 2 pairs, you can't go wrong. So can we hit 15? Oh, we're 5 pips away. We're 5 pips away. So let's see if we can hit 15. We've tapped in with 11. We've tapped in with 11. Can we hit 15 and start trailing the stop loss? That would be great. Honestly, you know I'm going to love trailing the stop loss. It makes it more exciting trailing my stop loss because we already know at that point if we do lose the trade, we're losing less than we anticipated, right? So we're almost there. You know what I'm saying? Pretty close. $15 pips is like a pretty good halfway mark for me. That's why I'm trailing my stop at that point. I know we're really close. I could trail it right now as we speak, but I don't know. I just want to see that confirmation that's straight 15. Then I'll do it. My take profit is 27 pips. So I mean, I guess 14 would be a halfway. So I guess we could kind of start trailing that stop. We're so close though. Come on, let's see that 15, baby. Let's see that 15. Let's see that 15 pound yen. Come on, baby. There we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So now we're gonna start chilling our stop loss. So what this does for everybody that doesn't know, what I'm doing, I was expecting to lose, 1.5%. So now what I'm doing, I'm moving my stop loss even smaller. So if it did want to fuck me in the ass or try and make me lose, now I'm gonna lose instead of 1.5%, I'm gonna lose like 1.3%, 1.2%. And that's the idea behind this, is that we want to just keep trying to make ourselves lose less and less money. Right? So now I'm in a position where I'm losing even less than I anticipated, right? If that was to happen, we're in profits right now, so that's all good. I don't want to move my stop loss to break even because I don't want to get stopped out without being able to take profit. Um, you know what I'm saying? Because there always is that chance that candles do come back. You know what I'm saying? Just because we're trading right here doesn't mean this motherfucker can't flip back up real quick, play around here, and then shit back down again. That's why I do want to keep my stop loss relatively still, like not obviously break even. You know what I'm saying? Because it's nothing worse than if we just come back up, boom, takes us out. You know what I'm saying? Then goes a little bit in drawdown, then comes back down. 27 pips come up, and then there it is. We missed our 1.5% opportunity. Don't want to trade like that. Don't want to be like that. Hey, if we take a loss, we take a loss, right? We can't be scared to take a loss. If you're scared to take a loss, I'm sorry to say, but you're over leveraging your account, and you got to stop doing that. You know what I'm saying? You can't be perfect in these markets, and that's something you just have to accept. Like, you cannot be perfect. Everything's about probability, you know? Either you're going to win or you're going to fucking lose, right? And there's always like a 50-50, and the probabilities get higher with, when confluence added. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of the idea there. So we did start getting a nice push down there for a second. Kind of got me a little excited, right? Starting to break past that consolidation there on the left, so really liking how price is looking right now, to be honest. We're like 9 pips away from our fucking take profit, so we're really nearing our take profit here. And if anybody is learning something at the moment on the stream, like I said, I'm trying to provide a value for my people every single day. Every time I see a like on there, at least lets me know that someone took some type of value from it. They learned something from it. Obviously, do not like the video if you don't learn nothing from the video. If you don't learn nothing from what I'm trying to say, don't even like the video. I don't think it's appropriate for me to get a like on something that if you didn't learn from it. But if you guys are learning from this, please drop a like on that. It always helps me look back when I review my trades and my videos and stuff like that, that I'm understanding that I'm also providing more and more of value to you guys. Obviously, I'm trying to trade as best I can for myself, but since I'm trying to trade as best I can for myself, I want to provide you guys the best value I can to help you guys learn as well. Trying to provide everything as free as possible too. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to be transparent, really trying to do my best, my due diligence to really try and like follow in Raha Bank's footsteps, man, and provide a good service for the community. You know what I'm saying? The Forex community, because we all know the Forex community can be toxic as a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people trying to fake profits, make you buy courses, all types of shit, right? But I really don't want to make niggas buy courses and shit like that. I'm really just trying to keep it simple, man, and just show people that it take a little bit of grit. You know what I'm saying? Don't worry about the money. Shit, we just gotta focus on consistency, and everything else will fall in place. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta develop a love of, like, I know this about to sound boring as shit, but like predicting that next candle. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, thank you, Husan. I appreciate that, my friend. We will see though. Positions, we still haven't secured our 1-to-1 yet, so we will see. We will see. Trying to, it's looking decent for us though right now. Looking decent. We got 9 minutes until this candle closes, right? Feeling pretty good. The worry I do have, I would like to start closing a little bit more down in this area, like 160, 900, or maybe 900, like 160, 90, or 160, 82. And the reason why I say that is because if we close where it's at right now, my big worry at that point is we start developing another support and we start trading back up towards my entry, right? That's kind of what I'm starting to worry about. Just because we got this consolidation here, it could be very likely that this candle closes. Boom, we open up a another buy position. You know, that's, I don't know. You feel me? It's a little nervous. Glacius, my boy, it's good to see you, brother. Good to see you, and thank you, bro. 100%. I'm trying to make it as positive as possible, no matter what. You know, cause hey, look, if I'm tripping, and I'm letting y'all know that now, man. If I'm tripping on the stream, bro, and I'm losing, like I'm sitting there like, oh fuck, man, y'all, man, you might as well just unsubscribe to me. You know what I'm saying? You might as well unsubscribe to me, dog. Cause I ain't showing no good trading habits if I'm doing shit like that. And Glacius, man, I appreciate it, man. Like I said, you know, as much as I want to do this for myself, if I wanted to do this 100% only for myself and literally only for myself, dog, I wouldn't even do no YouTube streams. I wouldn't do none of that shit. I would just do this every morning by myself, right? And just maybe post it on my story, right? But not trying to do anything with it. Um, as much as I want to be as best I can for myself, man, I love doing these YouTube streams, bro, because I think more than anything, it really helps me if I'm like trying to help, you know, instruct what I'm doing as well, and also learn from you guys, because you guys also have your whole own experiences, your own experiences of trading, however long it may have been. Man, there's a lot of things we can just learn off each other. You know what I'm saying? That's the beautiful thing about the community I'm trying to build within this. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to have no ill will people like, oh man, you know, why are you selling it here? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if some guy was in my community, right, and he's like buying it, right, I'm not gonna sit there and tell that man, hey bro, I don't know why you're buying it right now, it's fucking obviously selling. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even gonna say nothing like that, because for all I know, this position could fucking flip on me, make me lose, and then the guy wins the position, and the whole time now I look like an asshole and I gotta figure out what I did wrong. You know what I'm saying? And plus, I'm not gonna act like a know-it-all. You know what I'm saying? If anybody in my community, bro, you know what I'm saying, I'm taking a sell right now, other man's taking a buy. Shit, at the end of the day, just good luck, man. All we can do is learn. That's all we can do. We just learning, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna sit there and think, oh, this guy's an idiot, bro. He's buying it right now. Like, you know what I'm saying? No. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said earlier, you know what I'm saying? You always gotta be fluid in the markets. You kind of have to have an idea what may happen in the future. And like I said, this potential worry of mine, I guess, my potential worry here is that we start, you know, we close, and it hasn't moved past this, honestly, much. And we've been relatively around 13 to like 16 pips, right? Been a little iffy, right? And the reason why I say it's iffy is just because I don't like how there's so much consolidation right here. We got a lot of resistance. If we got a lot of resistance, we all know what happens. Once resistance is broken past, generally comes down and forms support. Vice versa, you know what I'm saying? If there's a support broken, you know, supports gets broken right here, boom, it's going to retest and, you know, make a little relative resistance, right? Kind of did that. We're making a resistance right here again, you know, right here. So can we still push down, right? It's all in speculation, man. All in speculation. All I can hope for at this point is that we just maintain a good bearish candle. You know, maintain a decent bearish candle. And at that point, we should anticipate price to keep pushing down. But like I've told you guys before, that is my only worry. That's my only worry, especially how it's closing right now. It just, that seems like this next candle, all it wants to do is respect that support. You know what I'm saying? That's what it seems like in my eyes right now. So I don't want to stay too cocky with this position, because like I said, you know what I'm saying, we've reduced the risk. So that's the beautiful thing I love about this position right now, because obviously if we did flip on us, I'm going to maintain through the drawdown if that was the case, right? If this candle closes, next candle opens up and it's bullish, starts pulling up on us, honestly, I've already done what I did to reduce some risk, right? So I'm not going to 50% my position. I'm not going to try and move myself. I mean, I've already moved it relatively down. It maybe not be a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it went from 1.5 to maybe a 1.3, maybe even 1.4. But fucking it's better than 1.5, because I know that tomorrow, my next trade, it's guaranteed to be a 1.5% gain or more. It's 100%. It's going to be that way regardless. That's why it's so important for us to make sure we always hit our one-to-ones. You know what I'm saying? If I have like for instance right here, I mean, I don't have any more, but this is a 20 pip stop loss. Before I had my original stop loss was 27 pips. So very important that I take profit at 27 pips. Very important, because that's going to make me secure my one-to-one. That's going to make me secure my 1.5 position. Whoa, I looked to the left here for a second. I saw this go gray and stuff like that. I was just seeing like, what if, like, what was going on? I was like, what the hell? I thought maybe news or something was coming in crazy or something like that. I thought that spread was jumping up all over the place. I was like, whoa, what's going on? Yeah, man, and hey, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Glacius, man, the vibes, bro. Shout out to the vibes, man. If it wasn't for the vibe, bro, these are the vibes right here, baby. Shout out to my boy right here, man. Give a shout out to this man, Lo-Fi Geek, man. He got 225,000 subscribers. Get that man a motherfucking 300 shit. You know what I'm saying? I ain't got 100K watching me, but this man deserves it, man. You know what I'm saying? No copyright, Lo-Fi beats to study to. I like that shit, man. I'm not gonna lie. Cool as fuck. Um, that shit really make me and don't make the stream so damn boring. It's so funny too, cause I don't know if you guys watched maybe Raha Banks' live streams back in the past, but I'd say about a couple years ago now, even maybe even a year ago, cause I'd say about a year ago he was pretty consistent with going he was doing YouTube live streams, but back when Raha Banks was doing YouTube live streams, he had like this little soundtrack, and it was just comedy. Cause like me and my boy, the guy who commented first on the video, his name's Mario. He's a real good buddy I know in real life. Um, and it's just funny because we'd always hear that guy's like soundtrack, and I could never find that shit. I I try to find that exact sound. I don't know if this man paid something like paid money for just like kind of like a looped track that just kind of keeps playing like a loop. But man, I was trying to find that shit so long, bro. I was like, I just gotta find my own music, which obviously makes sense. Obviously, having your own stuff, your own music's always better, right? But like, oh my god, bro. Hey, my boy just called. He said we need that music back, bro. That shit's so comedy, bro. I'm trying to remember. I gotta go back and see like it can't be any like I know Raha Banks. He's a simple man, bro. It can't be anywhere crazy, bro. I feel like this man looked up like no copyright music, bro. Clicked the first video he saw and like it was just that. Like it's so funny. Like it's like a little saxophone. Like I don't even know. It's just like almost sound like a little jazz shit. It was classic. So I don't know if anybody that's watching this stream has an idea. Like if y'all know what I'm talking about. Like when Raha Banks went live back in the day, man. Yeah, bro. Hey, Mario, if you find that shit, bro, let me know, bro. That shit would be legendary. I'd love to put that on the stream because that's like the most OG music, bro. I couldn't even lie to you. That would make me feel tickle pink. I'd be like, hell yeah. But yeah, hey, I like this music too, though. No cap. It's pretty cool. It's cool. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it's like a 21st century kind of guy, though. You know what I'm saying? It's like a young dude. You know what I'm saying? I'm a young dude, though, so it makes sense. But it's just like, I feel like what Raha had, bro, is just comedy, bro. That shit was a good ass music. All right, so thank God we got 1 minute left, right? Because now we're starting to close 11 pips. I don't like that too much, to be honest. I mean, it is what it is, but like I feel like it's respecting more of that consolidation that we got there on the left, and I don't know if I like that too much. So hey, it is what it is. We're gonna see what happens. This candle is closing here soon. I do like the fact that it's closing bearish. Uh, but yeah, honestly, I'm not even sure. Like, I'm almost expecting at this point. The second this candle opens, you're gonna see a bullish candle go kind of up. Honestly, I can see it maybe going up, maybe even close to entry, and then it's gonna start pushing back down. 100% can see that. Chill hop, bro. Hey, if it's no copyright, I might tap in with it. You know what I'm saying? I've got a couple of strikes, not strikes, but like I don't even know, like the copyright shit for putting up music. Like not even like I like had a music on Instagram for like 2 seconds type shit. And, like they put a copyright notice on my video. I was like, come on, man. I could just tell them, bro, this ain't me. Just tell them on the mic, this ain't me, bro. This is Baby Smooth or whatever rapper I was listening to then. Like, it's crazy how easy that can just happen to you. Hey, Glacius, I appreciate it, bro, 100%. Unfortunately, we couldn't take profit when you were on the stream. I'm really hoping we can end up hitting that 27 take profit, but thank you so much, bro. Have a great day, and I'm gonna look to get that Discord for everybody here soon, so we can all be in a community together. We can all get more tight, more close. But hey, Glacius, man, you take it easy, my boy. Hussein Abduli, if y'all in here, man, hey. This is exactly what I told you guys. What I'm expecting is going to happen. This is looking like that's what's happening, right? So, don't trip. We just got to stay delicate in our position. Let it be. We have reduced risk. So, honestly, it is what it is. I think it's going to just pretty much make a liquidity wick. I don't think it's doing too much more besides that. So, really not worried. I definitely could see this even being a wick that maybe goes up towards my entry, maybe even a little past my entry, right? But I still feel confident that we will continue bearish. Um, we got NYSE coming up. Only where I would have, right, if this candle does close bullish. If this candle closes bullish with NYSE being the next candle, I don't know. That makes it a little nervous because then at that point, we could, if this candle closes bullish, that means that our next candle will be, reacting off the support, high volume time. Candle might want to flip on us, right? But if we still continue bearish here, that'd be nice. Oh shit, Mario, that shit's too funny though, bro. I swear to God though, like off stream on a whole ass another day, I was trying to look up that Raha Banks music for so long, bro. I could never find it. This is like my best option was this guy that I found, and ever since then I've been rocking with this dude, right? Trying to give my boy shout outs too, you know what I'm saying? Cause hey, you never know, right? But I feel like it's always just a nice gesture to do because hey, he's making my stream a whole lot better being with music, you know what I'm saying? So this is 803, and like I told you guys, this is very common that we're gonna have a liquidity wick coming in at this time. Um, Hold on 1 second. All right, all right. Still just dealing with this delicate ass position. Oof. Come on, baby. I know you just trying to make a little top wick for this Bears candle look real right. Come on now. We all know the truth. Draco. We all know the truth. What you guys know about Draco? We all know the truth. Come on now. We all know the truth. Forex markets. I'm just fucking flips on me and goes straight to stop loss. It's fucking, that would suck. Oh my goodness, man. Come on, Bears kiddo. Fucking make us hit our 27 pips, god damn it. I feel I've been waiting for too long for your ass. Man, come on, baby. We cooling though, we cooling, man. You know what I'm saying? It's not a big deal. I just think in my head, damn, man. Sometimes I'm just trying to feel secure with it. Cause it's like when I'm in this moment, I got the magic keys, right? You feel me? So I'm always ready just to be quick as shit when I'm like a cat. You know what I'm saying? But shout out to the Magic Keys for making me have quick execution. But what I'm trying to say though is I feel extra paranoid anytime I leave my computer because I'm just like, bro, any second this candle could just go boom, 27 pips. Like I'm just thinking if this is like worst case scenario, that's what I'm paranoid about, right? It goes boop 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 boop. There's 27 pips and it goes starts going back up. I'd be pissed if I like walked away and it hits 27 pips and my ass wasn't there to at least fucking secure 90% of my position. You know what I'm saying? That's like why I'm like, ah. You know what I'm saying? You just don't want to like leave. Hey, My boy Maga, what's up with you, boy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Uh, Maga, if you just joined, Brody, I just want to give you a quick little So we are in the hourly time frame as we speak. This right here, the reason why I entered my sell position here is due to this hourly candle resistance close here. I entered a sell position at that point. We have trailed our stop loss. Stop loss was a little bit above this. We had a stop loss of about 27 pips. So I am looking to take profit at 27 pips as well. We have trailed our stop loss due to being in relative profits. We hit about 15, 17 pips profit. Wanted to go ahead and move my stop loss so we can start taking that 1.5% loss down to like a 1.4, 1.3% loss. If that may happen, right? Still pretty confident in the position hitting our 27 pips. But, you know, looking to just see how we end up trading, right? You know, just kind of keep it moving. I think once we start trading below this, like I think once we start if this candle starts going bearish, right, and we start trading below this wick, at that point I'll take my stop loss and I'll actually move it above, just a little bit above this wick right here. That's kind of my anticipation, my plan. No way. No, you didn't, bro. There's no way. You gotta show me, bro. Send me like either through iMessage on here, like it don't matter, bro. Send me that shit, bro. I gotta see, bro. That's funny as fuck, bro. I knew it can't be something crazy, bro. I know my boy. I know Raha Banks just too simplistic. He's too cool with it. So it's gotta be just somewhere on the internet. You're a freaking legend, Mario. That's comedy as fuck. Alright, bet. Yeah, I'm finna put that on, dude. No way. That's so fucking funny. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, this was my worry though. Right here was if we do, I don't want to see this candle close bullish at all. Oh my god. All right, all right, all right. What's this say? Bro, that would be so hard. Hear the noise. Drawn delay.
Searching for music for your next video? Then you need to check out our list.
Hold on, hold on. Let me see. I'm weak as fuck. Yeah, this is one of them. This is one of them for sure. Yes, sir. Yeah, it is. 100%. 100%. I'm so dead, dog. Yeah, Maga, Raha is my mentor, buddy. Hey, this shit's comedy as fuck. If anybody remember, bruh. Hey, hopefully we hit a fucking. This motherfucker better go 27 pips down, bruh, in the name of Raha, my nigga, bruh. That should be crazy, cuz. With this music. I'm so dead, bruh. Hey, shout out to that man Mario in the comments, bruh. If anybody don't know that man Mario, man, hey, Mario, put down your Twitch, bro. You put down your Twitch, man. Anybody like want to hear mixing music, anything like that, bro? Hey, shout out my boy. Tap in with my boy. He even do DJing, man. So you know what I'm saying. I don't know where you at. If you in the United States, hey, my boy just might want to DJ for you, man. You got a little party he's gonna host, man. He got the turntables. You know what I'm saying. He know what he's doing. But yeah, hey, shout out to my boy Mario in the comments, man. Hey, my boy Mario put me onto the The Raha Bank shit. This is too funny. Bro, that shit was so legendary, bro. I can't even lie, dog. I'm not even gonna lie. When I heard the first 2 seconds of it, I was like, does my boy really remember? And then, like, bro, after the 3, 4, 5 seconds, bro, nigga, I knew for a fact, bro. I was like, yeah, this is exactly it, bro. My boy hella knows. Shit's got me dumbass weak. Oh my gosh, bro, what a legend. Oh, dude, hold on. Yo, hold on. Man, I can't type for nothing. Oh, here we go. What was that one? Again, it says. I ain't see no again in here. Where's that at? Let's take a look at the trade real quick. Oi! Not looking the best there. Not looking the best there. But hey, like we said, we have moved our stop loss. We have trailed it. If it is coming back up, honestly, I'm gonna trail it even a little bit more at this point, just in case. I don't want it to even break past that bearish candle. So yeah, we're just gonna keep trailing our stop loss here. Don't want any if the position loses, I want it to be for sure a decent amount under 1.5%. Let me find this. I'm trying to find this song real quick. My bad, guys. This shit's funny though. I gotta put that music back on. When I put that music back on, I'm telling you, we gonna go back in profits. I mean, technically we're in profits now, but it's like super tiny profits. Not even close to our take profit anymore. We were like almost 8, 10 pips away at one time. Okay, so I guess it's not there. Man, what's going on? Let me just click this motherfucker. Alright, let me see. Alright, cool. Yep. All right. Oh, we don't want to see that. We do not want to see that. All right, so like I said, this was the relative worry here, right? I did pre-warn everybody on this. When this candle printed bearish, we close in a very, very unfavoring position, in my opinion, because we have so much orders built on the left-hand side. We have a ton of, we got a lot of buy orders right here, right? Being with a lot of buy orders right here is a reason why we are relatively starting to reject. You know, we got 30-minute rejections right here as well. We're starting to print bullish, and hopefully not, but it looks like we might be closing support there, which in turn will really affect our position because we have NYSE coming up very, very soon. So with that being said, if this candle closes bullish on us, ladies and gentlemen, we need to brace ourselves for the loss. You know what I'm saying? As something that we need to start coming to realization on. Could be the case, right? But 100% still confident in this position at the moment. Just like to see how this candle. We got a lot longer of this candle to be, so this could easily just be a wick. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want any crazy ass wick to be too high, right? You know what I'm saying? If we got a wick all the way up here and then it trades bullish, right? I mean, I guess at that point it's just meant to be, is what it is. But I don't feel like if we were to trade bearish, I don't think there should be a wick necessary to be, you know, anywhere past these wicks at this point. I mean, I feel like from where it's at, this is a decent wick enough. You know what I'm saying? For at least normal market conditions. You know, we don't got no crazy news events right now. So with normal market conditions, you know, I'd anticipate that, you know, I still feel confident. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to say that. But if it was normal market conditions, economic news, I'd be real worried. You know what I'm saying? Because at that point, it's like, yes, you can expect, you know, with economic news or any type of big news events, you can definitely expect a wick to be like fucking 50 pips itself. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. This is that song, baby. Yeah. Hey, shout out to Mario, bro. Shout out to my boy, man. Hey, this make me happy as hell. Yeah. Come on, hit 10 pips, motherfucker. Come on. God. Get us back. Get this candle back bearish, man. We don't want to see this motherfucking bullish candle no more. We're tired of it. We don't want to see it no more. But hold on, ladies and gentlemen. I got to get right real quick. I'll be right back. I just got to get right real quick. Come back on the stream, you know what I'm saying? See what happens. But honestly, at this point, really, I'm not even tripping. Even if this position does lose, today is Monday, right? Today is Monday. We already in a position that's going to make us lose less than 1.5%. Just know, to all people in my following, the next position we take a dub on is going to be a 1.5 position or more. You know what I'm saying? So, it feels super fucking smooth, really. I mean, both ways, right? I mean, obviously, 100% I'm trying to take profit. Obviously. That's number one, trying to keep that consistency. Because obviously taking a loss in any situation, that's the shitty part about that. Obviously, even though it might be under our parameters, whatever, XYZ, you know what I'm saying, you know, under 1.5%, it affects my consistency, right? I don't want that to do that. I want to stay consistent as I can in these markets. So as you can see, it's starting to pull back up on us pretty violently, almost abruptly at this point. So, if it does take us out, which could be very, very well the case, you know what I'm saying, we are starting to push back up. NYC's coming up. Unfortunately, this may be the case, right? We will see. If this candle does end up kind of doing us a little wrong here, I'm really not tripping because at the end of the day, it just wasn't really meant to be, right? I was expecting to get 27 pips. We had to get 27 pips because I didn't feel comfortable with the stop loss being any smaller. We was able to end up losing quite a bit less. You know what I'm saying? So that would be the benefit. Unfortunately, though, it's just never good to see a position go from profits, you know what I'm saying, to, you know, relative drawdown. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as much as I hate to say it, if we do not close bearish on this candle, I hate to tell anybody that is in this trade with me, but I mean our probability would be much lower. I mean by much lower. I mean, we got like little bit like a little bit under 7 minutes in the candle. We got about 6 minutes and some seconds. Like I said, the big worry with this candle closing bullish at this point is that we have New York Stock Exchange as our next candle. We're closing bullish. This looks like a perfect retracement play if you ask me. No, I'm not going to close this position, try and enter buys or anything like that. I'm going to hold this position, hold my analysis, keep the same mindset, whatever. We've reduced risk, and I'm just going to let that be how it is. You know what I'm saying? Tomorrow's always another day in the markets. I just don't want to trip out on something like that. But I just want to let everybody know that that is definitely looking like the probability would just lower. Because I always look at trading and probabilities. You know what I'm saying? And the probability seemed pretty high for me. That's why I wanted to go ahead and enter that position. It seemed like everything was going in my favor. But now it's starting to come against me, right? Now that it's starting to come against me, we have taken the measures of how to reduce our risk. Thankfully, we have done that. And now we just got to stick to our guns and just see if we can just keep pushing profits, right? But with this candle closing bullish, seems a little unlikely. But I'm gonna get another copyright music because so let's see. Debasement strut. Oops. Hopefully, since I went on some other shit, didn't get no copyright. It's like stuff like that, like right, that was playing or something like that. It'd be like I'd be getting like a notification or something like that. Like, oh, it's a copyright because like it went on some shit that wasn't even I didn't even want. It's crazy because these are all like on different like pages, but it looks like the same shit. So like YouTube audio, I don't get that. Yeah, so 8:30 is coming up. Not looking too favorable for us at this point, to be honest. Definitely not. Definitely not. But we will see what happens. Then again, this is the hourly, so we still got another 30 minutes up until this candle closes, right? So that's also something else to keep in mind. This is the hourly time frames here on these charts. Let me get this. Hmm. Hmm. Doesn't seem like I can see it. It's the thing is crazy.
the whole other. Oh my goodness. That's crazy you found this, bro. Like, what? I can't even find it. I had the video and I'm typing in what it says. Crazy. So let's go to the 30 minutes. Let's see how this next 30-minute candle reacts, right? To further reduce risk at this point, honestly, I could almost even 50% it. I could even 50% it relatively in profits too, so then we go back less drawdown. Folks, I'm just gonna close half. I actually closed full. Fuck. Well, honestly, folks, I didn't mean to do that. I meant to close half there and hit the wrong thing on the magic keys. Yeah, that was my apologies. That was a mistake on me. Holy. So I hit this button, which is close full, but I meant to hit this one. So reason why I wanted to close half there is because I started thinking in my head, 30-minute. This is New York Session Stock Exchange. I know there's still a possibility that it could just go down, but I know more than likely probabilities way more in favor of this bullish support, especially with New York Session Stock Exchange. Much better to go ahead and 50% the position. I ended up closing full, which obviously is not a bad thing. If you know what I'm saying, I wanted to actually still test my theory there, but looking at this, definitely didn't execute exactly on what I wanted to do. But looking back at this, maybe it could have been better. Oof. But yeah. So that is a good thing there, though. I mean, at the end of the day, I feel good about the position. It sucks that we had to close it early and we weren't able to get a 1-to-1. You know what I'm saying? Secure a 1-to-1 position. But there's always tomorrow, though. So that is the idea. Consistency, I think, is the most important thing. So I saved my consistency there, right? I'm gonna put the position up most likely is or like at least have this in the back of my head so like I can understand for sure when we come back tomorrow that we can look back at it and be like, yeah, definitely I would hit my stop loss. Or if I would have 50%ed it, of course I wouldn't have made as the 1.5%. It would have been completely half of that, which is like 0.7%, pretty much 0.7, 0.5. Like I don't even know how you do that. That'd be like crazy. It's like a point 0.6, like 0.67%, right? But that'd be like half of that position because of half of my lot size. So if it hit my 1.5, it's really not the 1.5. So it's been a little bit of profits. Uh, but yeah, I'm actually pretty I'm satisfied. I'm pretty satisfied with the decision I made. It does kind of suck though. I will say, you know what I'm saying. It kind of sucked the fact that we did push. I think it was about maybe 17, 18 pips, almost 20 pips. Right? It was almost about like 20 pips. About like 7 pips away from our take profit. But trading is gonna be trading, right? And it's better to be safe than sorry. And I feel like if I was to reprice action, even if this candle does, for instance, play in our favor, if the candle does boom flood down, I'm still proud of the decision I made because we can't predict the future. If we did, we would all be rich. And since we can't predict the future, I'm gonna go off my probability. And probability tells me here after we see a nice support close, especially during if you look at my mouse here, go down here, we got 8:30. So for me, that is prime time for New York Stock Exchange. Do not want to get caught up in that mess. It's only Monday, and I want to be back for tomorrow. So You know what I'm saying? Gonna be great. Gonna be definitely great to see you guys there tomorrow. Uh, Today got a lot of studying to do. Get a little bit more organized. Try and get that Discord set up for everybody so everybody can post their charts. You know what I'm saying? We can all I can take a look at all of our charts through the Discord. Like I can, that sounds like a really fucking great idea. Um, but yeah, most likely, folks. Oh yeah, most likely nothing. 100%. I'm seeing you guys all tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna most likely have that Discord up by tonight, so then we can all participate. But to everybody that tapped in, Maga, thank you so much, Glacius, my boy Husan, and Abduli. Uh, Appreciate y'all, and most definitely Mario, my boy. Great to see you on this motherfucker, and you know, um, shit, man, crazy you found those videos, bro. That's actually funny as fuck. I tried so hard one day. It was only one day though, so I can't say I've been trying a lot. But one day I tried to do it, bro, and absolutely zero luck, bro. I didn't know what to type in, what to look up, and the fact that you found that shit, bro, it was crazy shit, bro. But shout out to you, bro, and yeah, man. Let's stick to it, man. Let's keep hustling, baby.